focusing on calcium, good for bones. Poached fig with coke, sugar, alcohol, pomegtanate molasses, sherry wine vinegar. Poach it, put on the side. Next step, gelatin, voila. Make a milk pudding, boil it, grenadine syrup, gelatin, strain it, layer it. I put this one on freeze for like 5 hours. Next step, mango goat cheese, boil it with sugar. We boil a little bit milk to dissolve gelatin. Here you go, gelatin. Peel mango. Make a puree. Little bit, mix it little by little. Next step, goat cheese, mango puree. Avoid lumps. Mix it. And we have to layer it again. Leave this one in a freeze for like 2-3 hours until set. After set, here you go. Strain juice. First of all, put juice, make a layer, and then I don't put like not much juice because like this one is a little bit strong, so can overtake the flavor of cheesecake and milk pudding. I leave it to. Thanks for watching.